Hello, my name is Kevin with Thorn Pest Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about bedbug monitors and doing a quick tutorial on how to install bedbug monitors. So there's a lot of different bedbug monitors out on the market. Two of the ones we like to use a lot are the Climbup Interceptor and the Sensi Volcano with SenSci Activ. Bedbug monitors are a great way for us to identify if we have bedbugs at a location, apartment, or a home. They're also a great way to tell if after treatments, if things have been resolved. So we're going to talk through how to install monitors, how many to place, and just give you a few tips and tricks on how to do that. So the first bedbug monitor we're going to be installing today is the Climbup Interceptor. And the first place that you're going to put these is underneath the bed legs. When you're installing these, you want to try to avoid touching the inside of the Climbup monitor. And you're going to place one monitor under each of these legs. With this bed, you're going to want to remove the bed skirt because the bed skirt's touching the ground. You also want to pull the bed away from the walls so that that bed becomes an island, and the only way to get up and down off the bed for the bed bugs is into these monitors. And those bed bugs will get trapped in these monitors, and we can tell whether we have activity or if we don't have activity. The next monitor we're going to install is the Sensi Volcano with SenSci Activ. When you're installing these, they come in different pieces. The first thing we're going to do is just tear the corner off of SenSci Activ. There's a little like wet napkin inside. You're not going to need to take that out, just tear off a corner. And then you're going to take the clear base. You're going to feel for the rough side, and you're going to place that lure right on top of the plastic base. And you're just going to clip it in place. So now we're going to install Sensi Volcano with SenSci Activ. Again, you're going to place them, first place is probably near the bed. You want these touching as many surfaces as they can, so touching a wall, touching the bed leg. You can place them near the headboards. The more the merrier with these things. So you can place 6 to 8 right in this bedroom. Anywhere that we're suspecting bedbug activity, near couches, underneath couches, tucked in cushions. One thing I really like about the Sensi Volcanoes is that there is an active lure inside of them. I also like that they're really small and compact, and we can find all sorts of places to place these. But again, close to the bed, close to where their food sources are, which is you. So after you have all of your monitors installed, you're going to want to check them periodically for bed bugs. A flashlight makes that much easier to tell whether you have bed bugs in the monitors or not. A lot of people ask how long to leave them installed. I say at least 21 days, but 1 to 2 months is generally a good rule of thumb. So we hope this helped. You know how to install your bed bug monitors. If you have any questions at all, we're happy to help. Just give us a call.